Hello everyone and good day. My name is Justin Anak Empaling, CD150160 from Section 3. This video is about my presentation on the project of the computer programming solving problem. Okay, but first I'm going to start with the introduction of this project. This is about C programming problem on fluid mechanics questions. This report is including the solution of the problem, which is flowchart, and the coding program. For completing the requirement of the computer programming BDA 24202 subject, we were given the task to make a computer programming to solve the problem related whether to the fluid mechanics or fluid dynamics. Okay, the purpose of making this task is to determine the knowledge of the student about the computer programming. Okay, in this program, the problem that we can solve is related to the fluid mechanics and dynamics. Okay, the program must at least has four for loops and two functions. So I have decided to create a program related to the fluid mechanics. So I need to calculate the density, the specific gravity, specific weight, and the kinematics viscosity of the problem. Okay, and then I will introduce you more about fluid mechanics. Fluid mechanics is a branch of physics concerned with the mechanics of fluid, which is liquids, gases, and plasmas, and the forces on them. Fluid mechanics has a wide range of applications and including mechanical engineering, civil engineering, chemical engineering, biomedical engineering, geophysics, astrophysics, and biology. Fluid mechanics can be divided into fluid static or fluid dynamics, okay, the study to effects of forces on the fluid motion. Fluid mechanics can be mathematically complex and can be solved by numerical methods, typical using computers. A modern discipline called computational fluid dynamics (CFD) is devoted to approach to solving the problem mechanics and particle images velocimetry, an experimental method for the visualizing and analyzing the fluid flow. But this project is more about fluid mechanics. Next is the problem statement of this program. The problem statement is learning how to write effective test programs as in important skills. The objective of this assignment is to develop the set of C programs that can solve the fluid mechanics problem. This assignment will give you more experience about working with C program. This program will work as follows, which is consists of two functions and consists of four for loops, and you will be able to calculate and find the density, specific gravity, specific weight, and kinematic viscosity of the problem given in the fluid members. And then I will proceed about the objective. The objective of my program is to solve the fluid mechanics in problem in C program, and then to produce a program together with flowchart according to the solving problem, to study analytical solution to variety and simplified problems by using computer programming, and to write a program that can help how to solve the engineering related program. Next, I will proceed with the methodology. First is the questions and the solutions. Next, I will show you first the questions. So this is the sample questions that I've tried to solve in C program. Okay, the question sounds like this. Determine the density, specific gravity, specific weight, and the kinematic viscosity of the air with pressure of 200 kilopascal, increasingly 50 kPa until it reaches less than 400 kPa, while the temperature is 300 K, increasing 5 K until it reaches less than 350 K, where the gas constant of air is 0.287 kPa meter cube per kgK. There is the given gravity, given force, area, distance, velocity, pressure, and the temperature. This is the solution for the density of air pressure, this is the manual calculation. As you can see there, that is the answer using the manual calculation. In this program, we will try to calculate this problem using the C program and whether we can answer the exact same like this manual solution. Next is the flowchart. So this is the flowchart that has been produced from my program. As you can see there, it will start and then we enter the value of R and gravitational with the pressure of 200. So if the pressure is less than 400, it will go to the temperature of 300. It will go looping, as you can see from this flow chart. There is two functions in my flow chart. At the end of this flow chart, I'll get the answer. After done with the flow chart, next is the program, or this is my pseudo code. You can see from this laptop, this is the program that I have been completed. Now I will proceed with the result. In this result, the result will be shown in the form of coding and the output by using the software of DEV++. Okay, the first one is the coding that have been screenshot and will be shown later after this in the several figures. Okay, then the second is the output, which is also have been screenshot and have been shown in the form of figure. Okay, in the coding section, which is in the right of C program to solve problem related to the question selected just now, where the question is states to find the density, the specific gravity, the specific weight, and the kinematic viscosity of the problem. In the output section, every parameters and the value of every dimension will be stated. This part also verified that this coding was generated by using DEV++ and showed that this project was successfully done. By referring to the old figures that have been screenshot in the report, in this chapter is also shown that none error that have been made and detected after the program was compiled and run. After this program was run, it shows that the value of the question successfully determined, which is the value of density, specific gravity, specific weight, and the kinematic viscosity. I will show you after this. So this is the result that have been screenshot and I put inside my report. But to make it more clear, I will show you the exact thing in the DEV C++ software. Here is my coding. As you can see, there are a few rows, and then I will compile this and run this program. As you can see there is no error detected in my program. Next, I will run this program. Here, as you can see here, the density, the specific gravity, the specific weight, and kinematic viscosity is discovered and determined. Take a look at the value stated there. 393, 003934, 38 and 59, and 065. To prove that this coding is correct, I will show you again in my manual solution. This is the manual solution. As you can see, the answer from these manual solutions and the program is the exact same. So the last but not least is the conclusions. Okay, as a conclusion, the program creates for the student for the problem state is successful since can be run successfully. The flowchart showing the methodology will help the student to understand the concept of the program. Other than that, by using computer programming will help students save their time compared by using the calculator. Overall, this project is quite challenging. I think it's very quite challenging, even though this is my second time taking this course, but I still find it quite challenging. And then it has its own difficulty for students because not all of student is expert to create the program, and this became the good challenge for the students to complete the project. Thank you, that's all for me. Goodbye, have a nice day.